Okay, today we're going to go ahead and unmount the old tire and mount on some new tires. I went to several shops to try and get this done, and nobody was too confident about doing it. Besides, in 1916, my grandfather took a Maxwell from Newark, New Jersey to LA and back, and he writes in his diary that they changed tires 8 times in one day. So I'm sure I can't do it as fast as he can, but I decided to go ahead and unmount this tire myself and mount a new one, and I thought I would share that with everybody, what I went through. You might be able to do it easier, whatever, but at least you'll see what I did to get it done. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is take out the valve to let the air out. Alright, with all the air out, I want to break the bead. So, I'm just pushing down on the tire here. There it goes. You see how I broke the bead there? Wasn't too hard. All the way around. The thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp the tire together here, just so I can get one edge off. Alright. I have some soapy water here. Not sure really if this is necessary or not, but I'll just put some soapy water around there. Maybe it'll make it a little bit easier. Alright. I originally tried this with these tire irons here, and it was my first tire, and then opted to go with these. Made the job a lot easier. Got them at Harbor Freight. They're really long, but they did make the job easier. At this point, I'm going to take my clamps off. One more here. Okay. So I got it half off. Okay, next I want to get the old tube out of there. And start on this side. The tube's kind of stuck to the tire a little bit. It still has some air in it. So I'm going to try and free it up. Alright. Whew, it's out. Alright, this next part I found the most challenging. We got half the tire off, but now we got to get this second bead off the rim. And this is the step that has caused me a lot of time. But we'll see if I can do it faster this time. Alright, I'm just going to add this piece of block of wood in here so I don't lose progress. And keep working this around. slide in now.